What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another tech review. This time we're going to be looking at the Ringke fast charger and the new wallet case that I just got in for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's check them out. So this is the fast charger, 9-volt fast charger that I got. It's small, it's compact, palm of my hand, right there. Fits right in the palm of my hand. It does not come with any cords. It comes with one attachment. In the box, this is what you will get. You will get a micro USB to USB Type-C adapter in that box. This is all that you get. This is a Qi charger, so it's going to be wireless charging. It has a LED indicator on the front. On the back, you have USB Type-C and all of your information and model number and everything on the bottom. It has a nice rubberized bottom. It doesn't slide really easily. That's one of the best pluses about it, and that is so small and so compact. This is a fast charger, so we get that established. They have it printed right on the front. Fast charge right down here. Ringke. This is one of their new cases. This is the wallet case for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'm gonna get that open and we're gonna take a quick look at this. You get a nice leathery feel on that wallet case. You get two tones. You get your Ringke branding right down there at the bottom. On the inside, you have a slot for cards, driver's license, business cards, whatever you need to put in there. Get more Ringke branding right there. And over here on this side, you get this nice rubberized backing for the phone itself. It does not lift up or anything. You get the hexagon shape in there for cushioning. Let's go ahead and drop that phone in and see what this is going to look like. There we go. When you close it, fits up in that clamshell type. Notice you got a nice recess right there on that phone. And that camera sits down in there really nice. Buttons, let's see how tactile they are. Okay, pretty tactile. I'm appreciating the buttons there. Let's do this. Volume up, volume down. Everything seems to be tactile. Microphone is well placed. And right here, everything down bottom looks good and wide open. Case feels nice in the hand. Now, I'm not a wallet case type of guy, but if I were, this feels real good. It's not slippery. I'll be able to carry at least 3 to 4 cards in here. And there is also a pouch for money, so you can do that as well. So for the minimalistic person, for the minimalist, you're able to do everything right here in one. It comes in different colors as well. So I'm going to drop a link below on so you can go check it out. It's on Amazon. So since we've got the phone in there, let's test out the actual wireless charging. USB Type-C, I have a cable right here. I'm going to plug this in. Now this cable is not plugged up to a fast charge brick. It's just plugged into a regular USB adapter. So we're not using a fast charge Samsung brick or anything of the sort to do this test. I'm gonna turn the sound up first. And hopefully we can just hear it when we lay it down. Boom. There we go. Wireless charging is a go through this case. Let's get that established. It does wirelessly charge, and this case is a little thick and a little padded on the back. So we do get a wireless charge. Now, next thing we want to see is, do we get actual fast charge? Right there on the screen, it tells us we have fast charging. There we go. Fast charging wirelessly. So fast charge capability does work with this case. It does work with this portable small wireless charger. So 2 great products from this company, Ringke. I'm going to leave links below, as I always do, so you can go and check these out for yourself. But as I mentioned, palm of my hand. My hand is a decent sized hand, but I'm able to put this in the palm of my hand. And remember, you do not have to use a fast charging brick to get fast wireless charge through this charger. So until next time, hopefully this is able to help someone out. Please be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.